Hey everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix GeForce Now error code 0x80030001F. Now, there are two ways to resolve this issue. The first thing is changing the server location in the settings. It solved the issue for him. He was experiencing problems with Rainbow Six Siege on the EU Central server, but there were no issues on the EU West server. Now, he also tried clearing the cache, reinstalling the client, and removing and adding the game as owned in the client, but none of these steps helped him, so try to change the server location. The last step is to write a support on the GeForce. If you have an open ticket with GeForce, just try to give them as much information and details as possible. Even if you think it's not worth mentioning, must mention it. Chances are they don't know exactly what is causing the issue, but they definitely don't want you as a customer to have a bad experience. So you give them as much as you can, and wait for them to simply fix it. And that's basically it.